We all have dreams for ourselves and our families. The dream may be about higher education for our children or daughter's wedding, or simply for a self reliant retirement. We make so much effort towards the well being of our families. HDFC Life Guaranteed Income Insurance Plan aims to help you build these financial reserves for all expected and unexpected expenses in the future. Will HDFC Life Guaranteed Income Insurance Plan help you achieve this? In this video, let us find out whether HDFC Life Guaranteed Income Insurance Plan is a good option to aid you in achieving your dreams. Welcome to holisticinvestment.in. HDFC Life Guaranteed Income Insurance Plan is a non-linked, non-participating individual life insurance savings plan. The main features are guaranteed income of 11 to 13% per annum of basic sum assured. Based on the policy term chosen, the income benefit period varies. Guaranteed regular income acts as a source of income. Guaranteed lump sum on maturity. Death benefit is paid during income payout period also. Next, we shall look at the benefits under HDFC Life Guaranteed Income Insurance Plan. Survival benefit. Regular guaranteed income is a regular monthly or yearly payout for the remaining term of the policy after the completion of premium paying term. Maturity benefit. Sum assured is paid on survival of life assured along with the due installment of guaranteed income at the end of the policy term. Death benefit. It is higher of 10 times of annualized premium or sum assured or 105% of total premiums paid. Next, we shall discuss the advantages and disadvantages of HDFC Life Guaranteed Income Insurance Plan. Advantages. All the benefits, survival, maturity and death benefit are guaranteed benefits. Death benefit is provided even during the income benefit period. Rider option, loan options are available. Disadvantages. Though the benefits are guaranteed, it will not suffice to fund any of your goals. The sum assured is too low. There is no loyalty addition for serving the full policy term. HDFC Life Guaranteed Income Insurance Plan is an endowment plan where all the benefits are guaranteed. From an investor standpoint, we should check the return on investment. For this, let us calculate the internal rate of return, that is the interest rate of this policy, using the figures given in the benefit illustration. A 35-year-old male buys HDFC Life Guaranteed Income Insurance Plan for an annual premium of Rs 50,665. The policy term is 30 years and the premium paying term is 15 years. The sum assured is 7,76,088. He will pay regular premium at the beginning of each policy year for 15 years and will be eligible for a regular guaranteed income of Rs 1,0881, which is equivalent to 13% of sum assured, payable to him annually till the end of 30th policy year, starting from the end of 16th policy year. After completion of policy term, that is at the end of 30th year, a maturity benefit of Rs 7,76,008 will be payable to him along with the last payout of a regular guaranteed income. The IRR for the cash flow is calculated at 6.25%. You get a regular income, but the drawback here is the same amount is receivable throughout the policy year. Inflation eats away the purchasing power of money. In the 15th year, the survival benefit will be minuscule. Also, the survival benefit won't help you in meeting any of your big ticket expenses. In most cases, it would end up in discretionary expense. Now it's time to do some analogy between HDFC Guaranteed Income Insurance Plan and other investments. Let us assume that the same amount is invested in another instrument for the first 15 years and accumulated corpus is invested to have regular income similar to the benefit illustration. Apart from this, we need to set aside an amount for life cover. Life cover for Rs 8 lakh sum assured would cost Rs 4,000 per annum. So you are left with 46,665 per annum for investment. Under PPF, the accumulated corpus at the end of 15 years is 12.65 lakhs. This amount is invested under a 7% instrument return where you withdraw 1,0881 annually for the next 15 years. The final corpus value is taken out along with the final payout. Under ELSS, the accumulated corpus at the end of 15 years is 19.48 lakhs. This is pre-tax value. After the capital gains tax deduction, the final maturity value is 18.33 lakhs. This amount is invested under a 7% instrument return where you withdraw 1,0881 annually for the next 15 years. The final corpus value is taken out along with the final payout. The IRR for pure term plus PPF combo is 6.57%. The IRR for ELSS plus pure term combo is 8.60%. Instead of withdrawing annually, if we stay invested, the returns would be much better. Here we disturb the power of compounding. We have come to the end part of our analysis. Final verdict on HDFC Life Guaranteed Income Insurance Plan. It is a traditional insurance plan that offers a combination of life insurance protection and guaranteed benefits. One of the primary features of this plan is guaranteed income benefit. Policyholders receive the regular income payout at specified intervals during the policy term, which can be monthly, quarterly, half-yearly, or annually. These payouts are guaranteed and provide a steady source of income. The income benefit seems to be beneficial, but when considering inflation, it loses its value down the lane. Ultimately, any annual income should keep up with the inflation. That is, you need a step-up income year after year, which is missing in HDFC Life Guaranteed Income Insurance Plan. If insurance agents try to push you into this plan, please remember that it is only for the agent commission that they get for selling you this plan. Alternatively, if you invest your corpus in a diversified portfolio, your debt allocation will take care of your regular needs, while the equity allocation helps in wealth accumulation. Detailed review of HDFC Life Guaranteed Income Insurance Plan is available as a blog post in our website, and the link is given in the description. Hope you like this video. If you have any questions related to this or any other investment option or related to your financial goal, don't hesitate to book a free appointment with our financial planners. The link to the free booking is given in the description box below. Also, will you be interested to attend any insightful investment webinar? Then feel free to register for the upcoming Enlightening Investment Webinar. It is completely free. The registration link for the upcoming webinar is also given in the description box. If you like this video, please give us thumbs up. Also, share it with your social circle. If you haven't subscribed our YouTube channel so far, please subscribe now.